Wait a minute. You're not going to be the funny one today. I'm going to be the funny one again. No. You just sit there and look pretty. Okay, I got the joke.
Okay.
What did the moron have for breakfast yesterday?
The same thing you had before. Toast and oatmeal.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
You know, that really wasn't very nice.
It was your idea. Good morning. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Good morning, everybody.
Cheers.
Happy Saturday.
Cheers. Oh my
We have the
gosh.
wonderful bright sunshine shining in our faces, so we might be a little squinty. Oh, thank you, everybody, for being here today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for I said subscribing. Thank you for giving us a thumbs up. Make sure you click that bell so that you get notified when we put up a video. Leave us a comment below, like you guys are stupid or something, and then share it with your friends you want to.
Oh, you mean us?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
all I heard was you guys are stupid or something.
Oh, leave us a
It's like,
comment, quote unquote, you guys are stupid. Well,
Fly away.
I haven't had enough coffee apparently.
Fly away.
Oh, we have lots of wasps hanging around us here. But we are in a lovely area. It's beautiful here. Last Saturday we chatted with you and then we packed. Did some packing. Got like all of our outside stuff done and then we got to go ahead and have fun at our daughter and son-in-law's. Our daughter Jolene and her hubby Scott and our grandsons Max and Alex, and they have the most awesome Halloween display in their front yard.
Crazy, incredible, fantastic. I can't say enough words about it.
Super fun.
Oh my gosh.
Super fun. Scott goes all out. He gets very detailed, and it's pretty cool.
It's like one of these commercial exhibits you would see somewhere. It's just amazing.
Yep.
Oh.
There's all these moving things and sounds.
In the yard and
yeah, I mean they added dirt to their grass to
make it look
make
like
look
mounds.
like graves.
Yeah.
And they got zombies coming out of them that move and groan and moan. Oh my God, it's just so great. And then there's lightning and
It's crazy.
there's just so many things to see. It's
Can we show
really
the part
cool.
of the video or not?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
watch this.
And this lady, I think
What'd you think of that? Isn't that something?
Cool or what?
That's just crazy, incredibly fantastic, enormous, and wow.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun, a absolutely delicious dinner, homemade lasagna. I mean, everything homemade. My grandson, our
Yes.
grandson,
Yes.
Alex, the 14-year-old, he's
Yeah.
14 now,
Yeah.
and he and Jolene, they make the lasagna noodles from scratch. They make the sauce from scratch.
He made it. He made it.
Yeah.
He made it.
He
she
did it all.
didn't.
She
was,
says, basically, I'm the recipe.
I'm the recipe. He put it all together and made everything.
Yep.
That's
and
pretty cool.
It was delicious. And then she made homemade cheesecake
Oh
that
my
was
gosh.
absolutely delicious. So it was very yummy.
Yes.
We had to go home and have an Alka-Seltzer because we ate too much.
Too much.
I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Oh, goodness. So Sunday was our last packing day.
Yeah.
So we packed. Then RJ, my son, came over and visited for a while. And then we did more
goodbye.
packing and got some laundry finished. And then we had dinner with Wendy and Kevin for our last night there with them. And
It's always fun.
so we keep saying pack, but it's like we'll do a little bit each day. So
and packing doesn't mean we're packing for a trip.
right,
'Cause,
it's just putting stuff away
you know,
that we've had out.
you know how you take stuff off the counters, you take stuff off the walls that might fall. Like we've got a nice wall clock that we remove and put it in a nice sturdy box for traveling in the RV. It's just stuff like that.
Yeah, that's all it is.
So,
and
yeah.
a lot of it is like my projects, my craft supplies, and everything that I'm working on.
Yeah.
I need to get all that stuff put away. So,
Yeah.
and it's not like we want to rush, do it all in a couple hours. So we do a little bit to, here and a little bit there.
Just
and,
spread it out.
yeah. And so we were able to visit a little bit with family before we left.
And some people have asked us in the past, it's like, with that big a rig and all the stuff you guys have, how long would it take you to get out if you had to bug out in a hurry, if you had to get out of someplace? It would take us 20 to 30 minutes,
Yeah, I was
think,
gonna say
at
about
the
half an
most.
hour.
At
Yeah.
the most.
Yep.
Half hour at the most for us to put everything away. If we just focused on it, hitch the truck up and get up. 30 minutes tops.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. It's just, I try to make things safe when we
Yeah.
pack. If we had to
Yeah.
bug out of here, I wouldn't care if it was safe, just that our home was safe.
yeah.
So we
So
could do
that's
it in
the
about a
difference.
half an hour.
Yeah, I think so.
We just fiddle far around and do
Yeah.
a little bit here and a little
Yeah.
bit there. And
Yeah.
we don't get stressed about it anymore like we used to. It used to be we had to reserve the whole day.
Yeah.
But I used to put out a whole lot of different homey stuff and kind of got rid of that. got rid of doing that.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad. And so Monday was our travel day. A travel day, not just a reset day.
Travel day number 1, heading south.
Our first
Southward,
leg.
Arizona bound.
Yep. So we are at the Washoe Lake State Park. It's
Didn't
in
go very
Nevada.
far, but we used it as kind of and we've said it before, a shakedown trip, since we had so much stuff done on the truck and the RV, and it kind of gave us an idea of how the truck is really pulling the RV, because we did have a few hills to go over between Reno and here, and it did pretty good. I'm very happy with the way that it's running, the way it's shifting, and the trailer's
wood.
pulling very smoothly.
Knock on wood.
Everything's
on
gone.
Knock on
Everything that we had issues with is gone.
Yeah. And another thing that this quick, close by trip is kind of a chill time.
Decompress.
Yes, decompress.
We're just taking a
We
week
had
and doing
such
absolutely
a crazy
nothing.
summer.
Nothing at all.
That was busy, interrupted plans that we had. It was nuts.
But
it was nuts. So we needed
this
time
week-
to just be able to sit here
Bear and I just
not
been
do anything.
coming out and doing nothing. We just been coming out, sitting. We go for walks around this RV campground.
Yeah, it's a camp.
And we go for walks out here. You can see behind us, and it's just chilling.
Yeah, so we really needed that.
It's nice.
We love being
It's
in Reno
nice.
with family and getting to do things with family and seeing family and being there to help family.
But it was nice. And then Tuesday is a beautiful, lazy day. Every day this week's been a beautiful, lazy day so far.
Yeah, we spent most of the day outside on
We
Tuesday.
did. We did.
Yep.
And I actually cleaned the windows on the rig, got all the spots off of them. It makes it look pretty good. And then we decided that Bear needed a trim. Not that I don't, but Bear needed a trim.
You're next.
So Bear got a trim in some
Brushing.
strategic places and some brushing.
Yep. I had to get her Grinch feet and then her
Yes.
behind. So, and then we had while we were here sitting outside all day, we had a wild horse that just kind of
Just one.
Just one.
All
He's
by
out here
himself.
by himself. He hung out with us for quite a while.
But he'd come up real close to us, you
Yep.
know, within 10 feet.
Yeah, I have some pictures of
Yeah.
you just standing there, and he's like right there, not very far. And the lady next to us, she was trying to throw apples to him, but all she did was scare him. So he'd run away a little bit, and then he'd come back, and then he'd just casually saunter over to where the apple was and get it. But he didn't want to have anything to do with being too close to her, having things thrown at him.
Yeah.
So, but he was beautiful. There are wild horses here. When we were here a few years ago, we had more than just one. We had quite a few.
Only one we've
Just
seen so
one,
far.
yeah. And he came by the next day for just a short while, and then he hasn't been back the past couple days.
Yeah.
But so on Tuesday, that's what we were just talking
Yeah.
about.
Wednesday, another
Wednesday.
nice day, chill, a little bit breezier, and you know.
You played with video stuff. You've been doing that pretty
You
much
did all
every day.
kinds of cards and jewelry and.
Well, I've been organizing my supplies and making it easier to be able to find things. And so over the summer, I bought some organizing tools, and so I've been putting everything where it should be, and I should be able to find it easier and make things a lot quicker.
So you're making another list, then, right?
Well, yes, I did.
List lady here.
I made that list, and I made a couple of lists for our checklist clipboard. Yep. We have a checklist of all the things that need to be charged when we're plugged in for when we're boondocking. So today...
You need to make a list of all the lists.
Oh, there you go. Well, I have also a list of things we need to do before we're going boondocking. And one of those things is the list of all the things we need to charge. So today we'll be plugging everything in, making sure everything's charged. Cameras, the power stations, lights.
Computers.
All that kind of stuff. Computers, getting all that stuff.
Tablet.
All that stuff done. And then for today, the day before, it's get everything vacuumed, fill all the water bottles. We filled with water yesterday, so we don't need to do that today.
We got enough water to get us by actual boondocking the next 4 days.
Yep. And then, so just all those things that I want to get taken care of. We're going to run into town and get fuel today, and a couple other things. And so, yes, I've been making lists, and I've been reorganizing things, but which for me is fun. I love doing that kind of stuff.
And then yesterday, Friday, was kind of the same thing.
Yeah.
It was just a little more smoky. There are some controlled burns going on the California side of Lake Tahoe, and the wind shifted and came directly out of the west, and it actually, I don't want to say socked in this valley because it wasn't that thick, but you could really smell the smoke.
And looking back towards Reno,
It was horrible.
couldn't even see it.
Dirty brown
It was
cloud.
yucky. And so I haven't been able to even be outside for the past few days.
Yeah.
The smoke just gets to me. And then we're in a campground where people have fire pits. So in the evenings,
It gets
we
really
can't sit out
smoky
here.
here. Very,
I can't
very.
even go for a walk after dinner like we like to do because it's just too smoky. My allergies are getting a little bit better. I've been better about taking my pill right on time. I've set a timer on my phone so that every 4 hours I take it, and it's been helping doing that, staying on top of it. But we've just really enjoyed our stay here. It's been very quiet, which is nice.
Very quiet.
Nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Just sitting and looking at the mountains, and you know, there's every once in a while some hand gliders, people flying without airplanes.
Yeah, you know, with the parachutes.
You know, it's kind of cool just to sit and watch them. You know?
They're jumping off the mountain over here
Yeah.
across from us, and there's also some shooting going on. There must be a little hunting area for
Yeah.
birds.
Yeah.
So
Not very far from us.
not very far.
But, and then I'm going to show these pictures of the aspens that are way up in the mountains that you took the other day, and you zoomed in on them.
The mountains are just, there's like splotches of yellowish orange
So
in the
pretty.
little canyons up on the mountains over there, the Sierra Mountains.
Yeah.
So it's just been a very nice stay.
Yeah, it has been.
So,
And if you want to get some Christmas items from us, not that we're giving them to you, you've got to purchase them. Go to bonfire.com, search out Tom and Lori RV Life. We've got new shirts, hats, cups, drinking cups, same thing at teespring.com. Search out Tom and Lori RV Life for the Tom and Lori merch store on Spring. We actually have, what do you call these cups?
The travel mugs.
Travel mugs. It's
And-
not really a mug, it's a travel, they call it a travel cup.
Yeah, because it's like a coffee cup, but it
Yeah.
has a lid like a trout. I was looking
Yeah.
at that. I was like, oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So,
So, and it has our new logo on
yeah,
it, right? That Rich, our
has the
friend,
new logo that our
Rich
buddy
Summers
Rich.
Art.
Yep, and we've got Rich's link below. You can check through everything that he does. And I'm not sure if he does custom work or anything like that. If you requested something, but you could always contact him and find out.
Yeah,
You know, that'd
Probably.
be the easy thing to do.
yeah.
If you are not a subscriber and you're just passing by, think about clicking the subscribe button.
Please.
Then ring the bell and get notified when we put up a new video, which is every Saturday. Supposed to be every Wednesday, and now we're throwing in a few little bonus videos here and there, little shorties during the week that you'll see as we travel on our way south to Arizona.
Yep. Back on the road again.
Yeah, it's nice to be there. Are we done?
We're done.
All right.
Time for breakfast.
Yes, it is.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Hey, baby. Have you been enjoying it here? Huh? All kinds of new smells, huh, baby?
Ready to go? You want to go in the house and eat? You want to go eat breakfast? You want to go eat breakfast? You're such a good girl. Come on, let's go eat breakfast.